Hey, it's Leanne and Jeff, Realty One Group, with another great episode of Inspirada TV.
Yes, we are at 2089 Danzinger, and this is the first time we filmed on this street, but I gotta tell you, it is so charming, yeah?
Love the street, yeah, it's gorgeous. And look at the landscaping on this home. It's gorgeous.
It doesn't feel like Vegas. And
no, it feels like I'm somewhere else.
Yeah.
Somewhere cooler, maybe.
The way these homes sit on the lot, they are close to the sidewalk, but it really is so cool. And then you've got this balcony up there, gorgeous lush landscaping,
great front porch. Like, this is so cute.
Really like the neighbor's stonework on the front of theirs. So this was what, built in 08?
It was, yeah, but it looks like it's been redone. So I'm excited to see the inside. Okay.
Yeah, great looking flooring.
Yeah, up.
5-inch baseboards, crown molding. Oh, it smells good.
Yeah, that's always a good thing. I love the fireplace. This is like a little...
Does this say if it was a former model? Because I'm getting model vibes.
It doesn't say that. It just says it was upgraded.
Okay. And when I say getting model vibes, that means it doesn't want to talk to me like when I see it.
I looked at you like you were a loser.
Get out of here, I'm a model.
Oh my goodness.
This really is
I like it. I like it very much.
I love the double doors out there.
From the dining area.
Even this light is super amazing. God, could you imagine a three-way slider? Because
yes, you could totally do that.
Wouldn't that
here.
be? Yeah,
that would be amazing.
Or even like the bifold type.
Yeah. So there's another covered little patio right outside these doors, and it leads out to the pool. Yes, I said pool.
Plantation shutters. Step into the kitchen.
Oh, this is so cute.
It really is. I feel like this is like a California house.
This is so beautiful. I love this kitchen. Double ovens, refrigerator.
Look at, we can even help ourselves
under
to
counter
cold water.
Under counter pullouts. This house is 2,697 square foot. It's got 4 bedrooms with a den and a loft.
So I think what really makes this kitchen is this bank of windows. The
bank of windows is absolutely amazing. Yeah, the natural light in here is super amazing. And I really like the layout of this too. It's so much great counter space. Mm-hmm. This is listed at $769,000, which is just $285 a square foot. They've definitely done work on this, because in 2008 it was all the cherry cabinets and the Tuscany look. So this has definitely been redone.
We just left another home on Canvas Edge, which will be posted right around the same time as this. So the amazing thing about this location is we are just like a street over from where Solista Park is. So you get everything. The farmer's market every other week, all of the events that Inspirada does, and you also have Romano's restaurant right over there.
Yes, you can walk and get a pizza. Ooh.
And so
this is amazing. More outdoor space.
Secret garden.
I love this. What a great place to have coffee in the morning and wine at night, or vice versa.
A little water feature here would be amazing, wouldn't it?
Yeah. I love the Buddha though.
I love this house.
Doggy door. Yeah, this is a terrific.
No, I really love this house.
Okay, I guess we're gonna live here now. Yeah, I love the layout and what they did when they remodeled works. Totally.
Yes.
It really updated it, you know?
Mm-hmm. Light fixtures are cool.
Yeah.
Nice little light here. If you had a nice piece of artwork here. Step over here.
Oh, this is the pantry. I didn't really expect a pantry after visiting the kitchen, but this is a pantry, and I love that it has like the built-in. That's so
you
cute.
put your mixer and
Sure.
those kind of things there.
Yeah, more built-in. This has a lot of built-ins and stuff. Oh, 3/4 bath. So there's a stand-up shower.
For a stand-up guy. Honestly, I would bet the farm that this was a model.
Yeah. What a great space for an office here.
Yes.
Or, you know, it's set up like a, I keep wanting to say Gen X or Gen Z or one of those, but that's not it. But like if you had an elderly parent who needed to live with you, this would be a great setup.
Step out to the garage.
Nice.
So water softener. Nothing to write home about.
It's a garage.
Park your car.
But it comes off the alley, so you don't have, your house doesn't just look like a garage.
That's right. And
I do like that.
I do like that.
Yeah.
You know what? I was thinking there might have been a separate entrance out to the yard, so we'll go back out this way, yeah?
Oh, I think so. Yeah, I think that's the way you get out. Yeah, I would definitely want to change the doors here, but that would probably be the only thing. Nice. Oh, I love it. This is gorgeous.
This really.
Wow, what a relaxing area. And, you know, it's a corner lot, so you don't have somebody looking down on you on your pool.
And then even on the other side of the street is their backyard, so it really is.
Very private. Outdoor kitchen, built-in kitchen. I love this.
God, I love this house.
Yeah, this is a terrific house. So you can come in through where you pull into the garage.
Yes.
Or from the front entrance.
Give you a little shot of the alleyway here.
And I love how they did the pool. They didn't try to make it bigger and have less walk through, you know?
Yeah.
It's the perfect size pool. Yeah, very relaxing and chill backyard. Love it.
And as we up there on the ridge, that would be part of Sun City Anthem, because we are right at the very far east side of Inspirada.
And again, the landscaping is amazing. I love the landscaping out here as much as I did in the front. Now we still got to go upstairs. Wow, this is a lot of house. I'm just going to shut these because it's summer and it's hot.
We'll head upstairs.
Really hot.
So as always, please like and subscribe to our channel. Leanne and I are out here every week filming houses, and our YouTube channel has hundreds of videos, and our website has all of the listings and all of the details of the properties that we shoot.
I liked what they did with the banister, because you know it was that cherry wood back in the day.
Good chance.
Yeah.
But yeah, the white, it really looks...
Super clean and modern.
Cool fixture up here.
So this is the loft.
Yes.
This would make a great play area for kids. Oh my gosh. That would be amazing.
All right, so bedroom number 1. All right.
This house has a lot of built-in storage too.
So again, it does feel
Yeah.
total model home-ish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Laundry upstairs. Love it.
Yeah, with a sink. Do the washer and dryer stay?
They do. And the refrigerator. Wow, you could just move in this. I mean, you would not have to do anything. This house is totally redone. It really looks so good.
Like the black hardware. All right, we'll head over now to the primary. Oh, this is really cool.
Oh, built-ins.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, this house has a ton of storage.
Yeah, I like these three windows coming through.
Yeah, we love natural light. Nice, spacious. Oh, I like this. Very, very clean lines. I love the color. It's not stark white. It's just it feels warm.
All right.
Out to the balcony.
So if you can imagine, weekend mornings out here.
Yeah.
Coffee. Royal Verde trees.
Yeah, this is amazing.
This really is.
Yeah.
This is a special home.
Yeah, very special for sure. Yeah. And it's big, but it's not so massive that it feels overwhelming.
What is it, 26?
2697, so like 2,700 square foot. It's a good size.
A nice garden tub.
This had to have been the model at some point.
Wow, look at these built-ins.
Oh my gosh. Love. Yes.
And the full mirror.
This is a closet you could share.
It is.
You could have this space and I could have the rest. Yeah. Perfect.
Double vanities, big makeup counter.
Jetted
water
tub.
closet.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at all this. Ooh, this is definitely her vanity.
So as always, Jeff and Leanne Mix, Realty One Group, Homes and Inspirada.com. Our website has every listing from every brokerage. No need to search multiple sites. If you want to see this home, just reach out to us. Leanne and I are residents out in Inspirada, so super convenient. And we'd love to make you a new neighbor. All right. Thanks for watching.